What if I told you you can make $100,000 a month by writing ebooks in less than 24 hours using AI and then sell them on Amazon? And the best part, you can do it all for free. Hey there friends, today I'm about to reveal the secrets behind the massive success of people like Monique, who made over $1 million in just a few months by leveraging AI to write ebooks for her. I'm going to show you step by step how you can achieve this incredible goal. In fact, Monique herself had an income of $5,000 a day and made $535,000 in just 4 months. If she can do it, so can you. Let's get started. To begin, the most critical step is selecting a profitable topic. Monique emphasizes the importance of solving a problem. Think about the questions people often ask you. What advice do you frequently give? This is your starting point. For example, if you're often asked about fitness tips, consider writing an ebook on effective weight loss strategies. Now, let's get ChatGPT involved. Ask it, give me a list of potential ebook topics on weight loss. ChatGPT will generate a list of engaging topics for you to choose from. Pick one that resonates with you and that you feel confident writing about. Next, let's ensure there's a demand for your chosen topic. Head over to Amazon and type in your topic. Use the KDP Spy Chrome extension to see what's selling, how much competitors are making, and read reviews to understand what readers are looking for. Monique uses this tool to streamline her research, saving time and identifying lucrative opportunities. Now it's time to structure your ebook. A clear, logical outline ensures your ebook has a good flow. Use ChatGPT to help create this. For instance, ask, create a detailed outline for an ebook on weight loss strategies. ChatGPT will provide a comprehensive structure, including an introduction, key chapters, and conclusion. Review the outline. Tweak it to suit your style and expertise and ensure it covers all the important points your readers will expect. Here's where the magic happens. Writing an ebook can be daunting, but ChatGPT makes it a breeze. Start by asking, write a one-page introduction on why weight loss is so important, then follow the outline, prompting ChatGPT to write each section. For example, write 2 pages on the benefits of a balanced diet for weight loss. ChatGPT will generate the content and you can refine it to match your voice and style. If something doesn't feel right, ask ChatGPT to rephrase it or simplify it. Monique suggests adding personal anecdotes and tips to make the content more engaging and relatable. Once your draft is complete, run it through a plagiarism checker like Grammarly. This ensures your content is unique and protects you from any potential copyright issues. Monique emphasizes the importance of this step, as originality is key to maintaining credibility and trust with your readers. Proofreading is crucial to catch any errors and improve readability. Use tools like Grammarly to help. Then format your ebook using platforms like Canva. Choose a professional template, customize it with relevant images and ensure the layout is clean and easy to read. Monique uses both tools to create visually appealing ebooks that stand out on Amazon. Chapter 7. Publishing on Amazon KDP. With your ebook polished and ready, it's time to publish. Create a free Amazon KDP account and follow the prompts to upload your book. Provide a compelling book description. Choose relevant keywords and set a competitive price. Monique recommends offering both digital and print versions to maximize sales. Your work doesn't stop after publishing. Promote your ebook through social media, email, newsletters, and other online platforms. Engage with your audience and gather feedback and make improvements based on reviews. Monique's success is partly due to her active promotion and engagement with her readers. I have already mentioned ChatGPT prompts that you can use for writing your ebooks. Other than that, you can also ask ChatGPT for numerous prompts on writing ebooks. And there you have it, a complete guide to writing an ebook in 24 hours using ChatGPT and making $100,000 a month on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Happy writing and good luck on your journey to becoming a successful ebook author. Thanks for watching.